Today you'll get a spring update and get to see me working in the garden, so stay tuned. Hi, glad that you're here. If you haven't been here before, my name is Andreas. Me and my family is on a journey to a more sustainable way of life, and you are invited to join us. This winter and spring has been really strange in several ways. We have almost been in total lockdown and the weather is still very cold and chilly. Due to that, we have to scrap all the plans that we had for this year. There won't be any spring videos from the homestead in the woods this year due to the traveling restrictions. We have now made new plans and in the following episodes we will share them with you. We got some really exciting things coming up. It has been a really sunny spring, but very cold. So far we brought in a total of 4,660 kilowatt hours this year. That's really good. The solar system is working really well. There is not so much growing in the garden right now, but we are starting to see some green leaves here and there. In the greenhouse, the temperature is warm during the day and almost freezing at night, even though this oregano that I planted last year is doing fine out here. The pool project is coming along, or should I say the SHTF water storage tank. We have a lot of soil that we have to get rid of. This whole part of the garden is looking like a construction site, but that will change soon. In the front of the house, the plants are starting to get some leaves. The rhubarb is starting to come up. Soon we will be eating some rhubarb pie, rhubarb marmalade and drinking rhubarb lemonade. In the contained garden, I have some cleaning up to do before we can plant and sow. Today I'm putting some potatoes in the ground. I'm also preparing the water system, but I don't dare to turn that on because it's freezing at night. that's it for this week. Tune in on the next episode when we sow and have a look at the plants growing inside. Do you got any topic that you want me to cover? Please let me know in the comments. Have an amazing weekend and I'll see you in the next episode.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.